How to download and install NotebookLM. So your first step to doing this would be to just simply open up your Google App Store or the Play Store and simply search for this app. The name of the app we're going to be searching for is the NotebookLM. Just simply type in notebook and simply search for NotebookLM. Once you're done there, go ahead and click on install. And then once the installation is completed, all you need to do is just simply sign into your account. All right, so once this installation is done, I'll show you what comes up next. Go ahead and click on open. And like I said earlier, once you've opened up the application, go ahead and click on get started. Just click on OK. And your account would be automatically signed in. You could just simply select any account on the list here to simply sign in using that account. All right, and if you don't see an account option, just go ahead and log into your Google account, and that's it. All right, guys.